Hey Trilo.
What is it, Bear?
Can I go to 4th of July fireworks?
No.
Why not?
Because you can't go while grounded.
But today is 4th of July.
I don't care. Now go back to your room.
Man, I want to see fireworks tonight with friends. I know. Let's sneak out of window to watch fireworks tonight. Now I am out from the window. I am going to see 4th of July fireworks. Ha 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 ha.
Hi Bear. You are just in time for 4th of July fireworks.
It's very great to see you, friends.
Look, the fireworks is now begin.
House. Get over here right now.
Bear. I can't believe you go to 4th of July fireworks with your friends while grounded. That's it. You're grounded forever. Go to your bed now.
Why?